How to change VLC media player custom skin style easy and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to VLC. As you can see, I have this video right here. Now all what you have to do is just go to the top here and click on this tools option, as you can see, and then go down to preferences right here. After you click on preferences, you will find here many options. All what you have to do is go to look and feel, and here you will be able to change the skin. As you can see, you can add the file if you want to change all the skin, or you can just manage it from here. You can manage the pop-up or the authorizing the interface, as you can see. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.